Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel EduTech 10. Life Process Class 10 Biology Chapter 1 Introduction. Life process. What are life process? The word life process means the process takes place in the human body which are needed for existence of life on earth. Okay, for example, digestion, respiration, excretion, reproduction, etc. Nutrition. Nutrition are two types. First, autotrophic nutrition. Second, heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, synthesis of food by photosynthesis. Second, photosynthesis equation 6CO2 plus 6H2O in brackets sunlight plus chlorophyll arrow 6C H12O6 plus 6O2. Third point, two phases of photosynthesis, light and dark reaction. Light reflect reaction, light energy absorbed H2O split into H2 and O2, ATP and NADPH2 synthesized. Okay. Fourth point, dark reaction, CO2 reduced to carbohydrates. Heterotrophic nutrition generally derive energy from plants and animal sources. Second point, mainly of three types. First, holozoic, second, parasitic, and third one, saprophytic. Digestion, mechanical and chemical reduction of ingested nutrients is called digestion. Photosynthesis, very important topic, meaning the process of synthesis of carbohydrate or food in presence of carbon dioxide and light is called photosynthesis. Equation of photosynthesis: 6CO2 plus 12H2O sunlight upon chlorophyll arrow C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. The ways: first, absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Second, conversion of light energy to chemical energy and splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. Third, reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. Okay. Stomata. What is stomata? Meaning a minute epidermal pore in a leaf or stem through which gases and water vapor can pass. Okay. The opening and closing of stomata is controlled by guard cells. Third, when the guard cells absorb water, the stomata open, and when guard cells don't have water, the stoma close. Okay. Nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba takes in food using temporary finger-like extensions of cell surface which fuse over food particles, forming food vacuoles. Inside the food vacuoles, complex substances are broken down into simpler ones, which then diffuse into the cytoplasm. The remaining undigested food is moved to the surface of the cell and thrown out. Okay, you understand? Nutrition in human beings. The nutrition in human beings takes place in the human alimentary canal. The food taken in through mouth, which is mixed with the saliva and passed to esophagus. Saliva contains salivary amylases that break down starch, which is a complex molecule, to give sugars. The food then goes to the stomach where the digestion process start. The food is then passed to the small and then large intestine where it is reabsorbed and then is thrown out through anus. Okay. Respiration. What is respiration? Respiration involves the exchange of gases and oxidation of food in the presence of air to release energy. Inhalation and exhalation of air occurs due to the change in air pressure in lungs. Diffusion helps in exchange of gases in lungs and tissues. The energy released during respiration is used to make ATP molecules adenosine triphosphate from ADP molecule adenosine diphosphate and inorganic phosphate. Energy is stored in the cells in the form of ATP molecules. When the cells needs energy, ATP is broken down in the presence of water to form ADP and energy is released. There are two main types of respiration. First, aerobic respiration means takes place in the presence of oxygen. It produces more energy. The end products are carbon dioxide, water, and energy. It takes place in most organisms. Shown figure. Second, anaerobic respiration means that take place in the presence of oxygen. It produces lost energy. The end products are lactic acid or ethanol, carbon dioxide, and the energy. It takes place in muscle cells and yeast. In anaerobic respiration in yeast, glucose is converted into pyruvate, and in the absence of oxygen, pyruvate is converted into ethanol, carbon dioxide, and energies. This process is called fermentation. Okay. Transportation in humans. Most important topic. Blood is a fluid connective tissue that circulates through heart and blood vessels. Blood consists of plasma with RBC, white BC, and platelets. Arteries transport blood from hearts to the tissues. Blood pressure is the force that blood exerts against the wall of vessels. Lymphatic system circulates lymph or tissue fluid. Transportation in plants. The transport system in plants works with the help of conducting tubes known as xylem and phloem. The rise of water and dissolved minerals in the xylem vessels against the force of gravity is known as ascent of sap. Transpiration is the process by which water vapor escapes from the stomata in the leaves of living plants. Circulatory systems in humans. Important topic. Human heart is a four-chambered muscular pump located in our chest cavity. In humans, the blood flows through two lobes, pulmonary and systemic circulation. The heartbeat is inhibited and regulated by cardiac muscles. The fish and amphibians have two and three-chambered heart respectively. Excretion. Biological process of eliminating metabolic waste substance is called excretion. Human excretory systems consist of pair of kidney and ureter, a urinary bladder and a urethra. Nephrons are structural and functional units of kidney. Ultrafiltration, tubular reabsorption, and tubular secretion are the steps of urine formation inside a nephrons. Okay. Structure of nephron. Each kidney has numerous filtration units called nephrons. These nephrons consist of glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, renal artery, renal vein, collecting duct, etc. The blood is filtered in these units, then collected in the collecting tubal duct. This collection is then passed to an organ called urinary bladder, where it is stored until thrown out of the body. Excretion in plants. The plants also give out some toxic wastes. Plants don't have any excretory system as human beings have. So how do they throw out the toxic waste? They throw this waste through many ways, such as transpiration, throwing off wetlet lips, giving out it as resins and gums, the toxic salts, and the first stored in the lips, then these lips are thrown out. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel EduTech 10.